Hey folks, kind of a rainy day in a few places today. We're still tracking some rain on the radar, not as much as what we had a couple of hours ago, but there's still some stuff out there. A closer look shows some light rain over the western half of Hidalgo County, all the way down to Citrus City and just touching the expressway there, west side of Mission. Then it goes all the way up to San Manuel and up into Kennedy County from there. Most of the rest of Hidalgo County is dry. We got a pretty good thunder shower then just south of Matamoros, making its way to the north. So Brownsville, you may pick up another pretty good shower within about 30 minutes or so, and maybe a little thunder and lightning within that like we're seeing now. But this one not going to hold together for all that long, but there's scattered stuff out there, stuff that we need to continue to watch into the overnight hours, because I think we could continue to see scattered showers. Tomorrow, I think there's a shot at showers and storms again. Could be an active day like today. Thursday, probably in the end a little less active, because we're starting to get rid of all the moisture slowly but surely. But boy, today and tomorrow, pretty good moisture surge coming up from the south, giving us the decent rain we've seen. By Friday, I think it's almost all gone. By then, our chance of rain's down to 20%. But tomorrow, we're still at 60, 30% on Thursday, and 20% on Friday. These are your temperatures across the valley right now, and because of the rain, everybody pretty comfortable temperature-wise. Humidity's way up, but these temperatures are in the 70s and at warmest 81 across the region. Tomorrow we'll be back in the upper 80s, but keep in mind it'll go there until a shower develops, and once rain falls, temperatures will fall back in the 70s once again. Average higher than normal for this time of year is 89, and that'll be our average the next 3 days, 88, 89, and 90. Records won't be threatened. At the surface, high pressure is in control, and really a lot of the atmosphere. We have that southeasterly wind, and that's pushing a strong surge of moisture into the region. That keeps our rain chance still with us tomorrow. Thursday, I think there's less activity because, again, we're starting to get rid of the moisture. The moisture feed kind of weakens, and by Friday, most of it's gone. Notice in the little corner of the screen down here, though, you can start to see those circles down there, indicative of something tropical. Not for us, we don't think, but something tropical could affect maybe the Florida Panhandle or the southeastern part of the nation late in the weekend, early next week. A lot of moisture here, but there you go. This guy right down here in the Western Caribbean, mainly northbound, 40 to 60% chance of developing the next 2 to 5 days. But again, relatively confident, not a shoo-in, but relatively confident this should stay well east of the valley, and that'll leave us dry again. In fact, once that gets up into here, we end up drying out. And there's a pretty reasonable shot this will become Nate over the next couple of days. Another system near Florida could get caught up in that as well. That just has a slight chance of developing, but it too should stay east of the valley. If you're headed to our coast, small craft advisory is likely later tonight. Seas are going to kick up pretty big. Winds out of the east tomorrow at 12. 85 is the temperature in the morning. UV index is high. Rip current risk remains moderate. The surf temperature is at 84 degrees. Winds kind of meander around, but mostly east to maybe east-northeast much of the day tomorrow. There you seas about 6 to 9 feet, so it's going to get a little rough. The bay is moderately choppy, and the bay is at 85 degrees. So for tonight, a couple of showers, maybe a thunder shower around, not necessarily dying at sunset tonight. Could be stuff later on as well. Low temperatures in the 70s, and then tomorrow back up to 88, cloudy with some rain and a couple of thunderstorms around. Maybe not quite as active as today, but there'll certainly be some rain in the area, and if you do get rained on like today, it can be pretty heavy. Rain chances taper off by Friday. They're gone by Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Look at Tuesday next week, though. Chance of a shower again, and perhaps not so hot, courtesy of a front. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.